In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $1,400 or more in a day simply by reselling done-for-you digital products in the e-learning industry. And you only need 2 hours a day. You can do this around your schedule. So if you're new here, my name is Dan. I'm from Michigan, and I help people make money online in the digital marketing space. And I discovered this business because I was sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid. Long story short, my company cut my pay in half, and I didn't want to get another job. I wanted to figure out how to make money online, and I discovered this business back in early 2024. And I've gone on to make thousands of dollars with this business and a multiple five figures so far. So I'm proof that this works, but we also have a community of over 56,000 people. We've created over 100 six-figure income earners inside of our community as well. Okay, so to do this business, all you need is Wi-Fi. You just need your phone. You just need 2 hours a day. Then all you have to do is get started. Okay, set up your business, plug into our community, and then you're following our 2 hour workday. Okay, we have a 2 hour workday. So we teach you how to get your business activities finished in 2 hours a day, your marketing activities, basically, how to attract customers. Okay, so this 2 hour workday, we teach you to post 3 pieces of content a day to social media, right? You can also go live and you can copy and paste free ads. And by doing that, you're attracting people. It's called attraction marketing. So you're not paying for ads. You're not cold messaging strangers. You're not bothering your friends and family. You're just posting content on social media. You're attracting people. You're building your email list. And then your automations do the rest of the work for you, which is how you earn passive income and how you make money while you're sleeping or doing anything. Okay, so if you want to get started with this business, if you want to learn more about it, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com. The link is in my description. Okay, and now I'm just going to share my screen. I'm going to show you how everything looks and how everything works. Okay, I'm going to show you how the business looks, how it works. I'm going to show you inside of the community, and I'm going to show you how I follow this 2 hour workday, like how I post content and how to copy and paste free ads. Okay, so without further ado, let me share my screen. So this is the sales funnel. We give you this pre-built, done for you sales funnel that you can set up in like 1 to 2 days. So basically when someone clicks on your link, they're going to go to this page, okay? Discover the 2 hour blueprint that teaches you how to earn 100% profit online daily, right? So they're going to put their email in and then you're building your email list. And as soon as they put their email in, then they're going to get emails sent to them every single day. 30 emails, high converting emails created by 6 and 7 figure income earners, okay? This whole system was created by 7 figure income earners, right? So they put their email in, they go to the next page, they're going through your sales funnel. So even though you're selling these digital programs, you're not the one doing the selling. This person right here, Michelle, she's doing the selling for you. She's made about $10 million in 3 years. So she knows what she's talking about. So you're actually having a millionaire do the selling for you. You're just sending people to your sales funnel. Okay. The sales funnel does everything else. So these videos, okay, and then you have these wins from our community. The videos doing the selling, the wins are doing the selling. Okay. Again, these 2 videos answer 99% of the questions for you. Okay. And then they can click on this button. It'll take them to your website, which will look like this. Okay. All of this is already finished. And the cool thing is this is in English and in Spanish. Right now I have it on Spanish. So let's go to English. See how I can toggle it? So I can promote this business to Spanish speaking people and English speaking people as well, which is really great. So you can promote this to English, and this program is in English and in Spanish, okay? And we even teach you how to use AI to create videos. Even if you don't know how to speak Spanish, you can create an AI video in English and it'll transcribe that to Spanish. So you can start a whole new social media channel and just speak to Spanish speaking people, right? So you just have double the market. This is a global business and you can market it to English and Spanish speaking people. So unlock 10 income streams today, earn 100% profit, a done for you digital business. That's what this is. This is a done for you digital business. You're selling these 5 different digital products, digital programs in the e-learning industry. And these programs teach you how to make 7 figures online. Okay. So you have 10 different income streams. You got 100, 300, 600, 900, and $1,400 that you can earn per sale, and 5 in English and 5 in Spanish. Okay, so our top selling product sells for $1,400, right? And they can go to your website and they can purchase any of these products. They meaning your potential customers. So how would an extra $1,400 a day change your life? Okay, here's another video. So you have 3 videos by a millionaire who's selling these programs for you. Okay, We have 56,000 members in our community. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months. We launched these programs last year in 2024, and we did $29 million in sales in 10 months. And we teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. You keep 100% of the profits, and you also go through this certification training, so you become a licensed reseller of these programs, okay? And then it's in Spanish too. We just launched in Spanish like a couple weeks ago. Before we were only in English, and like last week, like 1 to 2 weeks ago, we launched in Spanish, and we launched our new $1,400 product. Before we only earned we earned up to 900 per sale. Now you can earn 1,400 per sale. I've had one $1,400 sale so far, and I've had many $900 sales. So then there's these different testimonies. You're going to learn how to use AI to build your business. We have all these different testimonials on the website. So this is the same website that you get to use. Like our website's going to look exactly the same. The only difference is I have my picture here. You put your picture here. So your website is branded to you. Okay. So this is what it looks like. So why is this business perfect for you? Like this is perfect for you if you want to earn extra income. You want financial security. You want to work from anywhere. You're tired of trading time for money at a job. Okay, you want to follow a proven system. That's something that's proven to work, because this is proven to work. We've done millions of dollars in sales. Okay, you want something reliable. You want financial peace of mind. You want more time to travel, time for hobbies, time to spend with the people that you love. Okay, you want something that's flexible and something you can build around your schedule, which is this. Why does this business work? We're reselling digital programs, just like so many businesses, they resell other people's products. It's not a new thing, just like Apple phones. Like so many businesses like Verizon, they also resell Apple phones. So reselling other people's products, that's not a new thing, and it's a very profitable thing to do. And you earn 100% profit per sale. This is not MLM, this is not affiliate marketing. So you don't earn tiny commissions. You keep 100% profit per sale with zero monthly fees. Okay. So if you want to get started with this business, you just got to purchase one of the programs. So you can purchase the $1,400, the 900, the 600, the 300, or the 100. And your customers too, if they want to start this business or if they want to learn digital marketing, because we have three types of buyers. We have people that want to learn digital marketing for their business. There's people that want to learn how to create their own offer and market it. And there's people that just want to make money reselling the programs. Okay, so you have three different buyers. So some people will purchase the program because they just want to learn the skills. Other people will purchase the program because they want to resell the program. Okay. So if you go with the 1,400, you get all 10 income streams. If you go with the 900, you get 4 income streams. If you go with the 600, you get 3 income streams, the 300, 2 income streams, and the 100, 100. So if you purchase the 100, you can only resell the 100. You can only resell the level that you're at, okay? And there's also installment plans for you or your customers to get started, so it's super affordable for anybody in the world. Anybody in the world could afford to start this, but not many people can afford not to start this, okay? So you get our bonuses, you get access to our community for free, where you get live mentoring from 6 and 7-figure income earners, okay? You get all these different bonuses, like you get to learn how to create your own community and monetize it. Canva crash course, my first million in 17 months blueprint. You get a 30-day market strategy PDF growth plan. You get your invisible empire faceless marketing, and you get 200 digital product ideas, okay? So let's say you're ready to start your business. You make a decision that you want to learn how to make $1,400 a day. Okay, let's say you purchase one of these programs. Then you're going to get instant access to your programs, okay? All your products, right? You're going to have access to all your products back here. It's going to look like this, okay? So you can access your program. You have the certification training. It's in Spanish. You have the bonuses here, and then you have website setup. So one of the first things you want to do when you get started is you got to set up your website, okay? You got to set up these pages. You got to set these pages up, right? So so all you do is go through and you just follow the instructions in English or Spanish, right? So it's going to show you how to do everything. It's going to show you how to set everything up. Like one thing you got to do is go to GoDaddy, and you got to get a professional domain and a professional email address. Like my professional domain is 7figuremonk.com, okay? And by the way, if you have questions, just drop it in the comments. And if you want to get started, just go to 7figuremonk.com. The link's in the description, okay? So you go to GoDaddy, then you got to attach your payment gateways like your Square, your Stripe, your PayPal. You got to attach those. And then, yeah, you just got to connect everything. You just watch these videos. Basically, you're just watching the videos, and a lot of it's just copying and pasting. It's really simple. You don't need tech skills. You just got to follow the instructions. And then you're going to have a system that looks just like this, and you're going to be ready to go. Okay. And then after you set up your business, you just go inside of the program, because the program is going to teach you how to, like build this business, how to promote these products. So you want to go through all the training. You start here and you just go through all the training. The program teaches you how to make 7 figures online. So you just want to go through everything. It's going to tell you what to expect, how everything works. Okay. Like attraction, how to get attention, how to build awareness, CEO mindset and clarity, building trust, relationships, conversion. So you're going to learn foundation, attraction, engagement, conversion, leveraging AI, how to monetize and multiply, build multiple streams of income. And then there's extra trainings, and there's always more stuff being added to the program. Okay. Now let's go inside of the community. This is the fun part. So you get access to our community, which is basically just like a community. It's a family of like-minded people who are just serious about building an online business, building multiple streams of income, and building a life of freedom for themselves and their families. That's like, we're all pretty much the same. We have the same kind of goals, right? So 56,000 members, and you can just go up here. You can introduce yourself, ask questions, share your wins. Now let's go inside and see the wins, okay? Let me show you proof that people are making money by reselling these programs, right? So look, a great way to start the day, woke up to $900. Okay, they made $900 while they were sleeping, because our business is automated. $900 while volunteering. Just a few years ago, I was deeply unhappy working in a toxic work culture, feeling like my life was totally out of alignment. I searched for a way to make money online and found this blueprint, and 2 years on, I'm so much happier. Yesterday, I woke up to 900, and I have the time freedom to volunteer for the entire morning as a tri-shop pilot. Okay, happy days. So there you go. She was unhappy because of work. She went online to figure out how to make money, and she discovered this business. See? There's millions of people out there that are sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid, and they're looking for something like this. Okay, she's proof of that. I'm proof of that. You're proof of that. Waking up to $300 is fire. Waking up to $300 is proof that this business is not a scam, but a way to earn if you master the message. Yeah, we teach you how to master your message, like what you're saying in your content to attract customers. Wins, $900 while doing things I love. Boom. That's what it's all about. $900 while packing for my trip. I love what we do so much. While I was packing for my trip to Rome today, I got a $900 notification. I absolutely love having an automated business. Boom. Okay. Another win, $100. God is good. $900 while feeding the horses this morning. Every time I get a $900 sale, I leap for joy. See, this is just one page, and look at all the wins we have. Another 900, another 900, 300. Okay, there's your proof. This works. You can't say it doesn't work. There's 30 posts per page. We have over 30,000 posts. We have over 30,000 pages. We have almost 1 million wins, all kinds of wins. Okay, classroom. This is where you have bonus training. It's like getting started here. We have 90-day runs. We show you how to make 30K in 90 days. You get a daily training from a millionaire. Okay, you get mindset training. You get social media training, content training. You can watch the Zoom call replays and more, right? Then if you go into the calendar, this shows you when we have our live events. Like on Monday, we have Millionaire Mentoring every single Monday. Okay, 3 customer formula. Okay, tech support calls, everything you need. And let me go. Okay, that's that. Yes, yes. Okay, so now let me show you. Like, if you want to get started with this business, go to 7figuremonk.com. And like I said, you just got to get started. You purchase a program, set up your business, plug into our community for training and support. Then you're following the 2-hour workday. Okay, there's a video about that in the training. You post 3 pieces of content a day minimum to social media, whatever platform, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Choose your favorite or favorites. Okay, I like YouTube and I like TikTok. Those are my 2 favorites because TikTok is really easy to grow fast and YouTube is just best for the long game. But you can use any social media platform that you like, okay? And you don't need a following. You can start from scratch and just start posting content and your following will appear. I'm proof of that. So you're following the 2-hour workday. You post 3 pieces of content You can go live on social media and you can copy and paste free ads. Those are the free strategies that we teach. Okay, attraction marketing. And that's what I've done myself to make thousands of dollars. So, and you can also post free ads. So I'm going to show you how to post free ads, and I'm going to show you like some examples of the kind of content that I create, okay, to promote this business, just to give you some examples. And then once you're in our community, you can see all kinds of examples. So like it's impossible to run out of content ideas based on what we teach, and we teach you how to use AI. So it's literally impossible. So look at, I'm just copying and pasting this ad, okay? There's this website I can go to. I can post free ads here, right? Look, I can post ads in any part of the world. I'm going to go to America, okay? I'm going to go to Michigan, Ann Arbor, because that's where I'm from. And I'm going to post and make money, because this business, we teach people how to make money, and this is an opportunity to make money. So I'm going to go to one of these. I'm going to copy and paste here. See, I've done this many times, so you know, it's really easy. Like it probably takes around a minute to post an ad, okay? Just like a minute. So I have these different incentives, and I've been here before, so all my information's already stored in, which is nice. So everything's here. Now I just have to just fill this stuff out real quick. Okay, that's it. And company name, okay. And there you go. And yeah, I just got to put a little picture in here. I got all these pictures saved. So here we go. Boom. Post. See, it takes like a minute. You can listen to music for 30 minutes, set a timer, and post like 30 ads every single day. So let's go look at my ad. So someone's going online, they're looking for ways to make money, and they find my ad. It takes them here to my link, to my capture page. They put their email in, and it also takes them to my YouTube channel. Okay. So they can also watch one of my YouTube videos, which means I can also build my YouTube channel by posting free ads, which is really cool. Now, let's go to my YouTube channel, right? Let's go here. YouTube channel, and you can see, let me show you, I do long form videos, I do short form videos, and I do written content on YouTube, okay? So my long form videos, just like this video that I'm making, it's a long form video over 10 minutes. And then I go to my shorts, okay? I have all my shorts. Like, look, where I'm just talking. I'm just talking for 30 seconds. That's a short video. Or I'm talking for like a minute, you know? A short is like 3 minutes or less. So here I am, just talking about this business, sharing my story, giving people tips, value. That's the kind of stuff I talk about, okay? So I'm doing all these talking videos, and then I do these little 7-second B-roll videos where I just make little 7-second clips of myself doing random things, and I put words on the screen with trending audio, okay? B-roll video. And then if you go, oh yeah, I can look at my lives too. I like to go live on YouTube, and I like to go live on TikTok simultaneously. So my lives are always also stored here as well. So my lives are here, and then look, post. I can also do written post on YouTube. So here's just a value, has post, nothing about my business. Value, nothing about business. Value, nothing about business. Value can be education, entertainment, tips, tricks, value, okay? You got to leave people better than you found them, right? That's called value. So, and then here's a business post. Here I'm advertising my business, earned $1,400 per day, 2-hour workday, 100% profit. Okay. I created most of these images with AI too. So you can do faceless content, or you can do talking videos, right? So there you go. I basically showed you how to do everything. If you see an opportunity and you're ready to get started, just go to sevenfiguremonk.com, and you can learn more about how you can make $1,400 a day, which is $42,000 a month, and over $511,000 a year. But of course, results aren't typical. It's based on your effort, so don't be typical. So get started at sevenfiguremonk.com. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who needs it. If you know someone who's stressed out financially, they're overworked and underpaid, and they're looking for ways to make money online, then make sure you share this video with them. Okay, so thank you for watching, and have a great day. God bless.